Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Now to get the bulb out, which is something I've never seen before, you have to loosen up these two bulbs. And I put a little penetrating fluid in. And one's trying to strip. Alright, got it loose enough. So you need to loosen those bolts, or in my case I got one. Now this bulb isn't burned out, but we're going to be, find the camera, we're going to be replacing it with some different ones. Okay, so on installing these fog lights, I got to turn these bolts down a little bit more to get them lined up just right, and that should be good on that one. Or just gonna drop and break them, So anyway, yeah, these are some aftermarket ones I got from Amazon, and they're apparently a retrofit kit to install these on Nissans and stuff. This one needs to come a few more screws down. Alright. And you can compare it. So this is a factory Infiniti one, and this is the replacement, and they're pretty spot on. I mean, not quite 100, but good enough. So these are the new aftermarket yellow fogs right here. So just loosen this, slide this out. And these bulbs came with new bulbs, which was pretty neato burrito, but it's not keeping those. Loosen up the screws just a little bit. See? That one's good. We're going to go ahead and loosen up the screws here. pressure on this to get this to go down. And I don't know where my screwdriver went. Just tighten these screws back down. And boom, we are good to go. We got the new yellow fogs ready to go. Alright, and next we're going to get to installing them. But I'm going to install them on the bumper after I reinstall it. That way it's a little easier and I don't have to worry about them falling out so much. So I'm going to be showing you how to install your new fog light. So they just basically slide in, and then you come in from behind to guide it into the, I guess, clip-in holes. Not sure exact words. It's your bumper cover and plastic shields will make this a lot harder. And you can watch this all in my video on changing a bumper. But you just basically push it in to the mounting brackets. Now when you get it installed all the way, you'll have these plastic bolts hanging out. And there's a bolt that goes on top of here that I showed in the removal, and I can't really show you well. Well, I really can't, but that's how it does. And then, you know, dielectric grease and you're good to go. That's how you do it. Alright, I hope this was helpful. You have a good one. Bye-bye. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.